Thank you for joining us. We are here to talk about the blockchain. My name is Satoshi Nakamoto. I'm Mark Hochstein. I'm the editor-in-chief of American Banker. Before we dive in, how many people here in the room first heard the word blockchain within the last 12 months? Pretty good number of people. Leanne.
My name's Leanne Kemp. I'm the founder and CEO of Everledger. We're a startup based in London that is digitizing diamonds onto the blockchain as a way to reduce fraud in insurance and open networks.
Sir.
The whole discussion here is about blockchain is all about a whole lot of other applications. So how in these other applications is that problem of incentivizing somebody to actually verify what's on the distributed ledger, how does that get solved in these other use cases?
Leanne, since you're actually out there in the wild with this, let me talk about how you do that.
We use the token. It's a very bad word to use, but I'll use it for simplicity. I saw your face, Brian. I'm sorry to do that. It's blasphemy. We've used the token as a way to transfer the value and peg the item digitally to the transfer of that token. It's a vehicle, an electronic vehicle to exchange ownership or enable a part of, for example, if we had a number of banks involved in supply chain finance between 2 or 3 parties in the supply chain, it would be remiss of them to proliferate unethical trade. And so as a part of the transfer of funds, there must be accompanied with that transfer of funds a Kimberley certificate. And so as a part of that process at the moment, it's completely paper laden and neither parties are able to ensure that there has been a consensus around each of those validation points to be a part of that financial transaction. So we're using the token, again, I did the bad word, but I'm going to proliferate it, as a mechanism of being able to do that. We're not trading diamonds with Bitcoin or using cryptocurrency in that fashion, because our world in diamonds is still being used in the fiat currency sense, and there's still, SWIFT payment and transfers, but we're using the transfer of all of those fiat transactions and embedding that into an ethical source across its validation point.